Before the video gets started, I want to say thanks for watching. I just want to preface it by saying I'm going to do a Road to 1000 series where I just take you on the journey of where I'm at now to hopefully getting a 1000 rating, which if you don't know is a pro rating for disc golf. And yeah, here's my first front nine. Hope you enjoy. Alright, we've got a par 3, 235 feet, a little bit to the right. Just a nice little flick. See how it works. Yeah, that should be pretty good. Just inside the circle. This should be a make, but I have not putted yet. That's my defense. Oh. It's cold. Another little short par 3, 250, little flick up, see how it works. Pretty short, pretty wooded. Just looking to land one in the front, and there's a tiny little tunnel. Get it right down in there, get the birdie. Throw my little watermelon. This will be a perfect. On this corridor here, so I'm going to do something stupid and try to cure it. And it's probably not going to go well, but we'll see. The camera has to be there so that it's behind it. It's not happening. So, a little bit of a vlog. This course is supposed to be pretty empty and there is a ton of people here. So it's not the most ideal conditions to be filming your first video in, but we're just gonna keep going. Alright, so par 5, crazy uphill, whole way up through, and then way to the right, another more uphill. And yeah, you're just kind of going for placement on the first 2 shots, then hopefully you have an approach. Going X-Cal. I'm gonna move you to the other side. Slide it off. Sorry. Watermelon, PL3. Basket up and right. See if we can get a flick there. is a really bad showing of what I can actually do. I mean, not really, because I'm terribly inconsistent, but I can do better than this. But I don't know, it's a good benchmark. We'll see how things go after I finish the round. I'm pretty sure I'm like +1 right now. So bad at putting. You probably can't hear me very well because the audio is probably terrible because it is super windy. But this has been fun. I've been enjoying this. It's a little bit nerve-wracking and it's definitely showing because I'm playing terribly. But I hope you're enjoying. If you do, you want to like and subscribe.